evening. It's Thursday, August 25th. At a noontime rally in front of the Alameda County Administration Building, protesters spoke out against extra retirement plans for top-level county and court officials. The additional accounts allow the county to boost retirement pay of a select few while not increasing pension benefits of rank-and-file workers. Tina Bosherman files this report.
They say takeaways, we say no way.
I would like my family to have a nice birthday too. I would like to retire without fear.
While Alameda County has been wrestling with multi-million-dollar budget deficits and employees are facing ongoing concessions and layoffs, top officials are receiving 3 taxpayer-funded retirement plans. It permits them to retire with a pension and 2 investment accounts. Amy Dooha is a child welfare worker who's been with the county for 32 years. She's also on the executive board of the Service Employees International Union Local 1021, which represents county workers. Dooha says usually critics focus on the amount public sector workers pay for their pensions rather than looking at who's actually getting a huge amount of pensions.
If you only make $40,000 a year and you work for 30-something years, you might still only get about 70% of your pension. So then you're talking about maybe $30,000, and then after taxes, you're talking somewhere in the 20s. And for the Bay Area, making $20,000 a year, you want to be able to keep the house that you've lived in for a long time. You don't want to lose it right before you finish paying off your 30-year mortgage.
According to the Oakland Tribune, top Alameda County officials, including Sheriff Gregory Ahern, District Attorney Nancy O'Malley, and County Administrator Souza Marigny, received more than twice as much in deferred compensation last year as was collected by any similar office holder in the region. Souza Marigny was the highest paid county administrator in the Bay Area with more than $422,000 in salary last year. In addition, she received over $137,000 toward her pension and another $46,000 into a pair of deferred compensation accounts. There was no comment from Alameda County administrators by airtime. Addie Canay is a clerk in Alameda County Superior Court, which faces a $20 million budget deficit in 2012.
Now, how can you continue to give the people the top raises when you're essentially cutting workers' salary? You're essentially cutting services to the public, but your top guys are still getting raises. I mean, doesn't the pain have to be spread among everybody, just the top guys? Because they're the captain of the Titanic, they get more money?
Tina Bosherman, Pacifica Radio, KPFA, Oakland.